Hey, welcome to Restorations. Today we're going to be doing a simple coaster project using 4x4 wood. We're going to be doing coasters showing the end grain. We're going to be doing a set of coasters with the grain. And then I found a piece of pallet wood that I took the pallet slats off, ran it through the planer, and I glued it together till we got to the right dimensions. And we're going to trim that, and we're going to run that with the grain. It's going to should give us a kind of a butcher block look. So, you guys ready? Let's get it. Well, that was quick and simple. And I did the 3 different types and 3 different wood stains so you can see it. I did the end grain in the dark walnut so you can see the dark grains and everything inside of that. And then we did the end grain in cherry so you can see the cherry right there. And then we did the slated butcher block style in Golden Oak, and that looks really good. That looks really good. All 3 texts look really good. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video, and hope that you liked what you saw. If you did, hit that like button, and then subscribe and give us some comments. Let us know what we could do better, what you'd like to see next. And again, support the channel and hit that subscription button. We would greatly appreciate it. So for another episode of Restorations, we'd like to say thank you. Peace.